My name's Aled Williams. I'm the care manager for Seren, which is a charity in Blaenau, Ffestiniog. At Seren, we support people with learning disabilities to live as independently as possible, teaching different skills. And we also help people with learning disabilities into work. Mostly here we do the health and social care qualification. That ranges from level 2 to level 5. So the apprenticeship scheme is that it's this partnership we have is really valuable to us. We can get quality people through the door. We can get people who go on the apprenticeship. We know during the apprenticeship they're going to get quality training. And I can see the development of each individual that comes here to work. As they go through the award, as they gain the knowledge and put the knowledge into practice, you can see in the way that the individuals they support much happier. They seem to know and what to look for, what to work towards and what skills to develop. And that's because of the apprenticeship program, which is brilliant. A good apprentice, you do need dedication. You need somebody that wants to do the job. And quite often you will get people that come in, they want to do the job, they have trouble with paperwork, that side of things, but it doesn't matter. If the person wants to do the job, the rest of it we can support, we can mentor, we can get through the rest of it and get the award at the end of it. I work quite closely with Gwyn. The way he works and the way he delivers it to me makes my job a lot easier. And to me that's invaluable really, because anything that makes my job easier is worth a lot to me. Yeah. And so Gwyn we use the one file portal in a way. So Gwyn will send me this one file once he's assessed that individual, send me that portal, then I can see exactly where that individual is at that time looking at the portal and whether they do need some help from my side, and Gwyn and me will talk and say, right, this person may be lacking here. Okay, so we need a bit of push here, so we need to look at what we can, and then we can adjust where she works or that individual works so that they can have that experience.